Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi ta'ala wabarakatuh, and a very good morning. So my name is Dr. Ahmad Khairul Ashraf Mizari. So I'm with Dr. Benazir Tanjung, Nur Fairuz bin Ahmad Fuad, and Muhammad Ashraf bin Abdul Rahman, which is today I will present about the WacanaXcel, a language analysis tools using Microsoft as a template for the political manifesto text. So here's one of the innovation which is we are trying to submit with the to the ICAR Online International Innovation Competition 2025. Right. So we go directly to the core of the innovations. In this course and critical linguistic studies, language analysis require a systematic approach to examine the relationship between language structure and the social or ideological meaning. However, the existing analysis tools are often highly technical, require the specified software, and are not accessible to the researcher without programming or linguistic software expertise. Therefore, WacanaXcel is introduced as an innovative and user-friendly tools that utilize Microsoft Excel to conduct systematic text analysis accessible to the researcher at the variations level. Right. So next one we go to the problem statement. So we have a three problem statement here. The first one, the assessing complex linguistic or discourse analysis software. The second was finding user friendly and low technical tools. And the last one, differentiating between text textual and discursive element in the integrated system. Right. So they are growing need a structure, cost-effective and accessible tools for analyze text such as a political manifesto, especially for the researcher in the local higher education, especially in the UPTM. Right. So next one we go to the objective of this innovation. The first one to develop Microsoft Excel based template for the linguistic and discourse analysis. The second one to provide integrated analysis structure covering textual and the discourse level feature. The third one to simplify the mapping of language elements, which is when we are doing a discourse analysis data, so is it like the simple way we are mapping the data, right? And the last one to offer alternative, cost-effective, and user-friendly method, right? So next one we go to the proposed solution. So based on this problem before, okay, we are propose a few solution. The first one to providing an alternative as a template, as I mentioned before. So based on this template, we can do two type of analysis. The first one is a dividing analysis into the two main component. The first one was a textual analysis, which is can be referred as a sentence or open type of elaboration, modality, process type, sentence type, and the theme type. The second analysis was a discourse analysis, which is can be referred as a intertextuality and the core paragraph idea. Right? The second proposed solution was allowing structure and the visual documentation of data, which is we are doing Excel through that the data will be structured and can be visual uh, documentation. Right. The last one is to support both individual and collaborative usage. Okay. So here's the sample. Here's a few of our innovation. Okay, which is uh, doing in the Microsoft Excel. So this column can be referred as two type of analysis before, right? which is I talk about the textual analysis and the discourse analysis. Okay, so contributions. The first one, empower local research with the accessible and low-cost analysis, enhance the critical discourse literacy among the student and the general public, support the studies and language, empower political ideology and the media influence, expand access to the linguistic research tools for school, NGO, and the independent researcher. And the last one can be applied to the higher education teaching and learning, right? Especially in the linguistic communication and the language education, right? Cost effective, for sure, it will be a free because we are doing it because of that SL, but we are providing the new module to analyze two type of analysis. Okay, and the last one with a commercial potential, okay, can be developed into the professional training package for the discourse analysis discipline, right? Has a potential to be published in a research guide or digital teaching module, can be upgraded into semi-automated tools, okay, micro-based or web-based apps, okay, licensed opportunity for the university, which is we can apply for the IPO and so on. Okay, the last one eligible for the intellectual property registration my IPO information. Right. So yeah, that's it for today. That's it for my presentation for the ICAR Online International Innovation Competition 2025. Thank you. Assalamualaikum.